Let's talk about the GRU today. So what is GRU? It is a gated recurrent unit. So it's a type of recurrent neural network, that is my RNN. Okay. So it's designed to tackle the sequential data tasks with the efficiency and the simplicity. Okay. So when we picturize just GRU, okay, as a gatekeeper in a neural kingdom, we can say it's my neural kingdom. Okay. So it has two gates. One is update gate and one is the reset gate. Okay, it has two gates. One is the update gate and another one is the reset gate. So mechanism that allows it to control the flow of information through the network. Okay, so what sets GRU apart in its streamlined design? So with fewer parameters compared to its, like we have a similar type of LSTM, long short-term memory. So GRU strikes a balance between the simplicity and the effectiveness. So GRU excel in tasks requiring a shift adaptation, for example, predicting the next word in the sentence without getting bogged down by the extensive context. Okay. So if we talk about the difference of this LSTM and GRU, okay, difference between these LSTM and GRU, okay. So while LSTM has 3 gears, okay, and it has 3 gears and it's more complex, okay, and GRU condenses only 2 gates, okay. One is update and one is the recent gate. And it's a simplified approach that aids in the faster computation. Okay, in the training side, GRU emerges as the sprinter. So its simply structure allows for quicker training and making it the pragmatic choice when the computation resources are limited. Okay, so when we choose the GRU, okay, so we opt for GRU when your task demands efficient handling of sequential data. Okay, with a focus on quick adaptation. It is a reliable choice for scenario where computational efficiency is crucial. Okay, so we talk about the difference. So both GRU and LSTM are the stalwarts in handling sequential data, but they differ in the complexity and the specific use cases. So GRU is a simplified structure, make it deal for the scenario where quick adaptation, F and FNC are paramount. It's the sprinter in the neural race. LSTM with the more intricate design and is the go-to choice when the task demands capturing long-term dependencies with the sequential data is the entering architect. Okay, so in this vast world of the neural network, the choice between GRU and LSTM depend on the nature of your data. Okay, or your task. Okay, so this is all about GRU. Thank you.